What do you have here?
I got a pizza crust.
What is the pizza crust made out of?
Cheese.
This.
Made out of
Psyllium husk,
psyllium husk.
which is fiber. And it's good for you. All right, what are you putting on your pizza? What are your toppings?
Cheese.
Ooh, what kind of cheese do you have?
Cheddar and
You mean
Parmesan.
Parmesan and mozzarella. And then what are these? What's that?
Pepperoni.
Ooh, and what is this?
Sauce.
Sauce. All right, so top your pizza and we're gonna stick in the broiler. Get it all melty. Yeah? Concentration.
My crust pizza.
What are you putting on there? You want some more cheese? What else
Pepperoni.
Okay. Are you eating the pepperoni? Are you gonna put it on your pizza? Can you show me how you put it on your pizza too?
The cheese is melting.
It is.
Yeah. And the pepper brownie.
You can't see.
We gotta check it out.
What is it? What's your favorite part?
The bread and the cheese and the pepperoni.
Oh, everything's? And it's really that good? You ate the whole thing. We'll have to get some more. Roman's is cooling right now. What do you think, Roman, of your pizza?
I like the mozzarella and pepperoni.
Oh, okay. And apparently you shoved the whole thing in your mouth, which means it's all good. Roman?
It's the yummy pizza I ever eat.
Oh, wow. Okay. And I didn't tell him to say that. I promise. Y'all, I am like dying over this psyllium husk. I made my brownies last night and it was supposed to be coconut flour and I read it wrong and didn't have any. And so I just improvised whatever the measurement was for the coconut flour, I replaced with psyllium husk. I'm shocked. They were brownies. And then I made my pizza dough. And it's amazing. It kind of looks like a pancake and has a consistency of a pancake a little bit. But it's soft and chewy, a little crisp. And the best part about this, fiber. There's no gluten. Fiber. So you can't feel guilty eating it. And it doesn't spike your sugar. No glucose. You have to buy this. Start making your recipes with psyllium husk. You won't be sorry. Promise. Just ask my kids.